So what's up everybody? So today we will be replacing my dropper post. As you can see, na siya, I don't know if you can see it, but let me try to get to you up close. See that scratch right here? So I called our friend from Boone Cycles, and man, those guys, they're amazing. So they hooked me up with a replacement, and now it's here. New one. So as you all know, SHOX reverb is a wireless dropper post, and this is what the semi-turn is. So I'm gonna replace it with this one, and then I'm gonna send the old one back to them, to SHRAM. All right, let's get it. Save that, just gonna use it to ship the old one back. Alright, there we go, let's do it, let's open it. So everything's here. It's like manual, it's like a decal right here. I think this is what, like I don't know. Then battery. We got the tool right here. We got the cord for the charger. Of course, we got the charger. And we got the shifter, and of course the dropper post right here. As you can see, so this is like it's 31.6 mm, it's 170 travel. But first, before we install this, we gotta remove that. Alright, first
What up?
What up, bro?
Nag-bike yung isa, man. Nag-bike. Motorbike, man.
Alright, let's go. We're just gonna remove this old one.
Tapos, bibigyan pa ng insurance na. Actually, hindi mo naman nalagay sa loob.
Nandito na si Mayor pala. What's up, bro? So, we're gonna replace the brake pads. So, I'm gonna do this first, and then we're gonna replace the brake pads. Alright, that's it. Remove it.
Tanggalin ko rin part yung ano, push ko. Tignan mo. Parang ano ba? Yung gumagano.
So I'm just gonna clean this up a little bit. And then, by the way, I'll be using a different saddle. Yung original saddle niya, yung gagamitin natin. Ito. It's a Yeti, I don't know if you can see it. WP Silverado. Ito yung original, it comes with a bike. So ito yung gagamitin natin for the new dropper post. Alright, so next one is we're gonna pair this new dropper post, but hindi natin gagamitin to. We're gonna be using the old one. So we're gonna save that, save the battery, save the charger because meron na tayong charger. We're gonna be using the old battery sa old dropper post. Now I'm gonna remove this, put the battery in, and then alright, first steps for pairing the dropper and what you call that, the lever. Press this, hold it, and then you press this one right here. And press it back. Should be good. Here, see? So now it's paired. Next up is yun, install na natin. So hindi muna natin final yung ano niya. Let's make it just a little bit tighter. That, and then install natin yung ano, yung saddle. Tapos lagay natin yung saddle. Yan. Ano ba? Hindi pa pala. Kabila. Let's do the other side. Also. Yan. So, dapat ano siya dito sa 12 Nm yung torque niya. So, dyan muna. Huwag muna natin i-tight masyado, and then we're gonna adjust yung tilt ng saddle. So, dito. Okay. Alright, now we're gonna adjust the tilt sa saddle right here. Alright, as you can see it, ito yung tilt niya, ma-adjust mo dito. See that? Yan, dito lang yan. That should be good right there. And then ito 12 Nm. We're gonna tighten that thing up after you adjust the tilt sa saddle. Alright. So, right now, gamitan natin yung torque, yung gonna use a torque to tighten this. 12 Nm. I don't know if you guys can see it, but almost there. There you go. 12. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. Yeah, it's 12 Nm. There you go. That's it. Simple as that. Alright, let's see if it works. Go. Yep. There you go, that's it. Alright guys. Thanks for watching.